Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday. It's July 21st. It's just Tuesday. So I got a couple of really good tunes today. This first one is from 1962, is when it was first released by a group called the Springfields. They were out of England. And then the Everly Brothers did a version in 1963. And Linda Ronstadt had a big hit with it in 1969. And it's called Silver Threads and Golden Needles. I don't want your lonely mansion with a tear in every room. All I want's the love you promised beneath the halo moon. But you think I should be happy with your money and your name, and hide myself in sorrow while you play your cheating game. Silver threads and golden needles cannot mend this heart of mine, and I dare not drown my sorrow in the warm glow of your wine. But you think I should be happy with your money and your name, and hide myself in sorrow while you play your cheating game. Silver threads and golden needles cannot mend this heart of mine, and I dare not drown my sorrow in the warm glow of your wine. You can't buy my love with money, for I never was that kind. Silver threads and golden needles cannot mend this heart of mine. I grew up in dirty Levi's, you know where love's a sacred thing. You grew up in silk and satin, where love's a passing game. I know now you never loved me, and I know I was a fool to think your pride would let you live by the golden rule. Well, silver threads and golden needles cannot mend this heart of mine, and I dare not drown my sorrow in the warm glow of your wine. You can't buy my love with money, for I never was that kind. Silver threads and golden needles cannot mend this heart of mine. Silver threads and golden needles cannot mend this heart of mine.
Woo-hoo.
Silver threads and golden needles. I think Johnny Cash did a version of that too.
I haven't heard that one forever.
I know. I used to love that song. When it first came out, I remember it came out, I was just, I don't know, 11 or 12, and I really liked it.
So you heard it on top of the refrigerator from the radio.
Probably, yeah. Or in the car or somewhere.
That's a good one.
This next tune is a Paul McCartney classic that no one has ever heard. Not many people have heard it anyway. He gave the song to the Everly Brothers, and they recorded it in 1984. In the early 80s, the Everly Brothers, they had been arguing with each other for many years, and they were having a family feud. And they finally got back together for a big reunion concert at Albert Hall in London. And then they recorded this album. It was called EB84. And this was the lead track on that album, and it was written by Paul McCartney. And he wrote it for them exclusively. He never recorded it as far as I know. And it's a really great Paul McCartney song, and the Everly Brothers, it was made for them. So we'd like to send this one out to our cousin in England, Wendy Wakefield, who's a big Everly Brothers fan. And I don't know if she's heard this song before or not. It was kind of just, it never really, the album didn't do much. But anyway, Wendy, this one's for you, and we want to thank you again for your wonderful and exhaustive genealogy work. Last week she sent us an email, and apparently one of Kathy's distant cousins, 5 times removed, on the Banning side, which was her grandmother's side, Grandma Dolly.
On my dad's side.
Your dad's side. On the Banning side, 5th cousin removed was... Second cousin, sorry.
5 times removed.
5 times removed. There we go. I got it. Sorry, Wendy. Was Julia Dent. And Julia Dent was married to Ulysses S. Grant. So we have a first lady.
We got Flotus on the tree.
Flotus is on the tree. So Wendy, thank you for that. It was really very exciting news and lots of fun to receive. So we appreciate all your hard work. And we're going to send this song out to you. It's called, excuse me, On the Wings of a Nightingale.
Oh.
I better take a drink. There's a couple of notes here I might not hit, so we'll see. When I love, I get a feeling like I'm traveling through the sky on the wings of a nightingale. As I ride, my head is reeling and I don't even wonder why. On the wings of a nightingale I'll fly, high above land and sea. I'll be thinking of you and me. Couldn't ask for a better place to be. Oh, I can feel something happening. Oh, I can feel something happening. Oh, I can feel something happening to me. My hand, I got a feeling that the journey has just begun. On the wings of a nightingale. And if you like, we'll fly together to the land of eternal sun. On the wings of a nightingale of love, high above land and sea. I'll be thinking of you and me. Couldn't ask for a better place to be. Oh, I can feel something happening. I can feel something happening. Oh, I can feel something happening to me. When I love, I get a feeling like I'm traveling through the sky on the wings of a nightingale. On the wings of a nightingale. On the wings of a nightingale I'll fly. On the wings of a nightingale. So that's the Everly Brothers and Paul McCartney, and that's it for our Nothing Tuesday. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you're being safe, and please stay well and be kind to each other. Wear your mask.
Wear your mask. That was good, honey.
We'll see you tomorrow, and we love y'all. Bye-bye.